Alright. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long time. I know I haven't really posted for about a year and a half consistently, but I'm going to do my best again to start posting. I know my content was always informative and was always straight to the point. Hopefully some of you guys enjoyed it. Seems to got quite a bit of positive feedback over the previous year, so let's go ahead and try this again. I've been well, guys. I'm okay. I'm doing good. Mental health is good. I'm in a good place. Just wanted to check in with everybody, make this quick video, let you guys know what's going on. I no longer have the 370Z. I'm sure you guys are looking to ask me right away in the comment section. I had to sell the 370Z. When it comes time to provide for your family and make sure that everybody around you is good, you got to do what you got to do. Found myself in a bad financial position, and the 370Z had to go, man. Had to go, parted out. It's not my first time on this channel blowing a motor, so as you guys already know, these things happen, and when they happen, there's nothing you can do about it but get on with it and move forward. Luckily, I had a lot of good people in my corner at the time that assisted me throughout that process, and you know, shout out to John. You know who you are, and you know, we got out of it. So I was able to move the car. The market got a little crazy, so I was able actually to, you know, get some of that, recover some of those funds, because the market it gets so good right now. Even so, as you guys know, inflation is crazy right now, unfortunately. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's still blessed. And what's up, guys, man? I miss YouTube, so let's get into today's video. So if you guys don't recall, this car, 07 G35 sedan, let me back up a little bit here. I bought this car in Texas when I didn't even know how to drive a manual. So I went out there to Houston, and I bought this car for $5 grand initially. Long story short, I ended up moving to Georgia, as you guys know, and I had kept my Q60. Sold this car back to a buddy of mine, and fast forward 2 years now, I live in a completely different state, and he wanted to get rid of it, or it was kind of just sitting around, and I ended up picking it up. So I got a car back. I'm pretty happy about it. It's my only car that I actually have now. The Q60's gone, 370's gone. I had a 06 G35. That's also gone. If you guys have been with the channel for a while, let me back up here. I'll tell you guys why this car is apart now. I just stepped on this on camera. But if you guys know the story behind this car, it's a pretty decent car. It's an 07 G35 sedan. It is a manual, so it's a rare spec. You don't see too many of these still in decent condition. This one's a little rough. It's a little rough, but we're gonna bring it back to life. And I was here to do a valve cover job today, and I was actually going to upgrade to a 370Z plenum conversion, injectors, you know, just to give it a little bit more power, whatnot. Got a new set of intakes that suit me better. And overall, when I went to go do the job, find out that the gallery gaskets were done on this car. And look at this. Anytime you see RTV with two different colors, just means someone used the old RTV, didn't clean it off properly, and just slapped some new RTV on there. Long story short, there's 7 leaks that I can count on the timing cover alone. It's just atrocious. There is no reason for anyone to have to deal with this. So the previous owner who had the car, who I sold it to, they had the gallery gaskets done by this gentleman in Texas. I hate to say names out there, but this frankly pisses me off. There is no reason why this car should be leaking from 7 different corners on the timing cover alone. So show you guys kind of the stain of the oil. Like every 2 days, I would get about a puddle this big of oil every 2 days. Thought it was the valve covers. Yeah, sure, the valve covers contributed a little bit. Come to find out, it was the timing cover on the lower driver's side section, right down here. It wasn't sealed very well, so that's what I'm dealing with now. Finding myself in a predicament where I didn't want to do gallery gaskets just yet. I actually did plan on boosting this car with a turbo kit. So the thing that I'm gonna have to do now is do a gallery gasket job, and of course replace the timing components, which were never replaced to begin with when the job was done. If you're in there, you're not gonna be in there for a long time. A couple $100, you won't have to do it ever again, and you have a peace of mind. We're gonna get it done. Probably not on camera. Gonna knock it out over a weekend, more likely. But yeah, that's kind of my current situation today. I decided to pick up the camera and just make a video. So hope you guys enjoy the content going forward. Over the last year and a half, we've been chopping it up on Instagram with a few of you guys. You've been asking me if I'm getting the new Z. Honestly, up until yesterday, I got the Car and Driver magazine in the mail. It had the new Z on the cover. and it's in red. That red color is freaking amazing with the black and red seats. Call me bougie if you will, but that spec is beautiful. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of the VR. Like, I'm not crazy over it. I'm always deep down going to be a VQ guy, but you know, if it ever came down to it with the Z guys, that red black on red spec is gorgeous, and I would absolutely get it. But then again, I don't drive very much. I live like less than a half a mile from work. I probably fill up once a month if I don't really go anywhere for real. So to say the least, I don't drive a whole lot. It doesn't make any sense to have a car payment right now, so which is why I kind of went back to something simpler. And of course, I'm kind of just in a better place where I'm just trying to get myself situated and ready for the next phase of my life. So with that being said, guys, we'll hopefully we can get back to our scheduled programming and get some uploads going on weekly. I miss YouTube. All right, guys, so some of the things that changed while a car exchanged ownership. If you guys remember, I used to have these wheels. I had the rears, well, actually the full set of wheels was powder coated gunmetal. I still got 2 of those. The previous owner traded the 2 fronts that were matching with those for another 2 rears. So pretty much in the place where I got to re-powder coat all 4 wheels again, which is fine. You know, nothing crazy. But over here, yeah, like I told you guys, I was doing a 370Z conversion. Got some Soho intakes, MSD coil packs, 370Z fuel rail injectors, lower plenum, upper plenum, HR throttle bodies, which are the same HR, VHR. Just some stuff I got to get rid of, and this is the old junk. But yeah, I live in North Carolina now. Weather's nice up here. It is beautiful. But this car is getting boosted. That was what I was supposed to do. It's boosted in about a year when everything was right, but timeline might be getting forward a little bit faster due to the fact that now since I'm going to do gallery gaskets, it'll be ready for boost basically. Only thing with this car, it is the adaptive cruise control model, so I will have to get a specific intercooler fabricated, basically something that fits in this area here and it kind of routes up, and however it's going to route up, but it can be the full length of the crash bar because of the adaptive cruise control, which I might actually remove altogether. Been contemplating on doing a G37 conversion with this car, but I just want to keep it OG. These headlights going to get a treatment here pretty soon, and it looks rough. I understand it looks rough. You guys have seen me on this channel before with some cleaner cars. This is by, you know, probably one of the most work intensive projects that you guys have seen me on this channel with, but that's okay. That doesn't mean we can't get back up from that. I'm a firm believer of progress, so I just wanted to make this video quick for you guys, kind of let you know I'm still here, still haven't quit. Just kind of, you know, been busy, and a lot has happened in my personal life over the last year and some change. A lot has happened, more than I'd like to share, since, you know, the important things that I'm back. I'm gonna keep making the content. I believe I'm still going to be someone who you guys can come to for in the VQ VR community for info. I like to share a lot of information on my channel, so I like to keep it that way. And yeah, I'm here. I don't want to keep talking in circles, but I'm hoping you guys show some love on the video. Like, share, subscribe. I'll end that video there. And shout out to Boost in Motion, no RTM. You guys have held it down while I've been away, and I appreciate your support. You guys check in personally all the time, and it's really appreciated. You guys have actually been true friends throughout this whole period. I really haven't been posting on YouTube, you know, checking in and see what's going on. So much appreciated to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully a bit more exciting news and hopefully a better video, but until then, see you guys next time.